Good day, wonderful people. Today I see you again in my kitchen. Today is 26th of July 2025. Here is 1:23 p.m. in my place. I'm going to cook fried rice, nasi goreng. This is one of my favorite food as well and easy to cook. I have here rice and then spring onion, carrot, garlic, egg, and slice of chicken breast. For seasoning, I have salt, soya sauce, and then salt, oil for cooking, and fried rice seasoning. Let's cooking with me. Stay tuned, wonderful people. Alright, I put already oil, and then the first I'm going to put the chicken in breast. For chicken breast, we need to cook very well, so well cooked. Chicken need to cook very well to avoid salmonella. Wonderful people. Alright, cook well. To touch this just a second. Okay, I cannot touch this chicken yet because I'm going to touch other things. Alright. Chicken breast already. Cook well. Little bit salt. And then garlic in. Garlic is my best friend. Always there. Garlic, I love you. Nice garlic. The smell totally different with garlic. Alright. And egg gonna in as well. Egg in. I already mixed all the egg. Egg also in. Carrot in. Carrot. in. Wow. Look at that color. So beautiful. Yummy, yummy, yummy. It's gonna special fried rice a la me. Apinya. Alright, already cook all the ingredients, and then time to put the rice. Alright, rice already in, and then soya sauce. And little bit Nasi Goreng sesame. I'm gonna put little on this. And then all mixed together. Look like one I'm already mixed all together. Last is spring onion, and then we're gonna mix again. And Nasi Goreng is ready. So beautiful the color. Alright, let's eat Nasi Goreng with me, wonderful people. Alright, wonderful people, this is the final. Very beautiful, look delicious. Nasi Goreng, fried rice, alami. Easy, you can recook as well at home. May you have a wonderful day, wonderful weekend, and see you again. Thank you for watching and stay tuned. Thank you, wonderful people.